Are you tucked up in your own den tonight? Well, we hope you have a dream-filled sleep. Oh, Jensen's snoring. That's because he's curled up and all warm by the fire. But it's not time for us to go to sleep yet. Here's a bedtime story.
CBeebies Bedtime Story.
Right. Just be able to fit one more sock on there, and then these clothes can get nice and dry. Oh, hello. I'm David. I'm hanging out the washing today. It's been such a lovely day. And all these clothes can get nice and dry while I tell you a story. In tonight's bedtime story, Zippity Zebra has hung his clothes out to dry, but it's just a little bit too windy. The story is by Claire Henley, and it's called Zippity Zebra and the Windy Day. It was Zippity Zebra's washing day. Whew! One nice clean shirt, he counted. One spotless scarf. One... Suddenly, a huge gust of wind blew all of Zippity's clothes up into the air towards the street. "Oh, no!" yelled Zippity. "Dear me," said Miss Cheetah. We'd better go after them." Zippity and Miss Cheetah were racing down the street when they spotted Dr. Giraffe in his car. "I've lost all my clothes," wailed Zippity. Then Dr. Giraffe pointed at the road. "Look," he said. "It's my shirt," Zippity squealed happily. Further down the road, Mr. Elephant was reading his newspaper. "Hey," called Zippity, "have you seen any of my clothes?" Mr. Elephant peeled a sock off his paper. I thought the news looked rather strange today," he chuckled. "I'd better come and help you." As the four friends passed Professor Croc's house, they heard the sound of music. "I've lost my clothes," called Zippity. "Have you seen any blowing past?" "I wondered why the note sounded odd," replied Professor Croc. "This must be your tie." The five friends arrived at the town hall. What was Mayor Monkey laughing at? "That's not a flag," giggled Zippity. Mayor Monkey joined the search party. It wasn't long before they spotted a scarf in Lenny Lyon's front garden, a jacket outside Papa Penguin's fish shop, and a hat at Madame Hippo's cafe. "Thank you, everyone," grinned Zippity. "I'm very lucky to have such good friends." Then everyone sat down for a well-deserved treat. Suddenly, a huge gust of wind blew all their hats high into the air. Whoosh! "Oh, no," they all yelled. "Here we go again." And that story was called Zippity Zebra and the Windy Day. Oh, I hope it doesn't get too windy today. I don't want all these clothes to blow away. Maybe I should check if they're dry and take them inside. And while I do, it's time for you to go to bed. See you soon, though, for another story. Night-night. Right then, let's get all these clothes inside.
The time has come to say good night, to say sleep tight till the morning light. The time has come to say good night, it's the end of a lovely day. The time has come to say good night, to say sleep tight till the morning light. The time has come to say good night, it's the end of a lovely day. We've had so much fun today, tomorrow's just a dream away. Now it's time to say good night at the end of a